Metasploitable download and install. So let me describe a little bit to you. Metasploitable is a virtual machine image that is created by SoundForge. Now, this is a virtual machine where there are many vulnerabilities, so that's why it's fun to play around with. Metasploitable, to be clear, is a deliberately vulnerable Linux virtual machine. So this VM can be used to provide security training and test security tools, as well as practicing for common penetration testing techniques. What a coincidence. Now, to install Metasploitable, you'll first need to download the disk image file to the computer. So for this, we can open up the favorite web browser and type in Metasploitable into your search engine. And from all these results, just click on the link that is going to SourceForge and click Download on this screen. And just by clicking the Save button on the incoming screen, it'll start to download the image file to your computer. And of course, depending upon your internet connection speed, the download process could take some time. Metasploitable virtual machine installation. So now we're going to install Metasploitable virtual machine using the Metasploitable image file that we downloaded. So we will show this image file as a disk to VirtualBox virtualization software. So why don't we start? Open the Downloads folder and extract the Metasploitable Linux 2.0 file from your Downloads folder, wherever you put it. So now let's copy the Metasploitable 2 Linux folder and paste it into the Metasploitable 2 Linux folder on your C drive users username VirtualBox VMS folder. Paste it there. Open Oracle VirtualBox and click the New button on the main screen. So on this screen, we're going to install Metasploitable as our machine. So write the name that we will use for this virtual machine. In the machine folder section, let's select the Metasploitable 2 Linux folder that we copied and pasted. So in the type section, just click on Linux for Metasploitable. For version, select the type, Debian 64-bit. Click Next. So on this screen, we can determine the amount of RAM that we're going to give our virtual machine. And this value can be changed after installation, but right now, let's just set it to 1024. Click Next. And on the screen, we can specify the disk system of the virtual machine and show the location of the Metasploitable disk image that we downloaded. And click Add. So now find the Metasploitable 2 Linux folder. Click on the Metasploitable.vmdk file. Click Choose. And click the Create button. And just like that, the virtual machine is created. Click Start. And the virtual computer will open automatically and comes up with username and password screen. So, username, MSF admin, and password, MSF admin. Great job. Very cool.